The Suits application allows users to maintain employer account information through the employer self-service portal. Beginning from the home page, the user will click the Account Maintenance main menu item from the left-hand menu, then select Employer Maintenance from the submenus displayed. This screen contains summary tabs for reviewing and updating business information, including addresses, contacts, locations, and ownership. Users can also review any historical activity on the account and which user performed the activity. The same procedure is used for updating information in each tab. As an example, if the user needs to update an existing contact on the account, navigate to the Contact Summary tab and click on the blue hyperlink of the contact that requires updating. The Contact Detail page will open, where the user can update and save the new details. If the user needs to add a new contact to the account, click the New button and fill out the information for the new contact. The same process for adding and updating information can be followed for updating addresses, locations, and ownership information by navigating to those tabs. Click Save. From the Account Activity tab, users can review historical activity performed on the account by entering search criteria and clicking Search. To narrow search results, the user can add search criteria. The search results will display the process name, a short message concerning the activity performed, the user who performed the work listed, and the date the work was performed. In many cases, employers empower a third-party agent to manage the employer account. To authorize such a relationship, navigate to the Account Maintenance screen, and under the Employer Account panel, click Agent Assignment. Click Add Agent. Enter the agent account number and click Search. This number should have been provided to the employer by the agent. To upload a written authorization document from the user's local computer, click Choose File. After the user has selected the document from the user's local machine, click Upload POA. In the Assign Roles section, select one or more checkboxes for the roles desired for the agent to perform on behalf of the employer, and enter an access begin and end date for each role checked. The user may leave the end date empty if the agent or client relationship is open-ended. Click Save. The request to establish a relationship with the agent will be reviewed by the Department of Employment and Workforce. Once approved, the user may view the existing relationships on the account through the Agent Assignment screen under Account Maintenance. To edit an existing agent relationship, return to the Agent Assignment screen. Click the agent name. Update the record as necessary. Click Save. The Employer Self-Service Portal allows employers to be proactive in maintaining account information and provides a convenient, efficient means of communicating with DEW.